I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. Updating billing information can be a bit tricky, but it is pretty straightforward once you know where to go. Step 1. Log into your account. Start by visiting the Rabobank website and logging into your online banking account using your credentials. Step 2. Navigate to account settings. Once logged in, look for the account settings or profile section in the main menu. This is where you can manage your personal information. Step 3. Select billing information. In the account settings, find the option labeled billing information or payment methods. Click on it to access your current billing details. Step 4. Update your details. Here, you can edit your billing address, credit card information, or any other relevant details. Make sure to double check for typos before saving. Step 5. Confirm changes. After updating, look for a confirmation message or email to ensure your changes were successful. If you don't see it, try refreshing the page. Remember, if you encounter any issues, Rabobank's customer service is just a call away. Good luck with your updates.